I'm Nicky Martin. I'm the Managing Director of Affect Network, the European Union Grant Advisor, or UGA, Irish partner, providing the grant advisory support services for the Microsoft European Union Grant Advisor UGA program in Ireland. Our announcement today basically was an effective relaunch of the grant advisory program in Ireland, directly veered towards the Bizspark members, the Irish members, the 450 Irish members of Bizspark. And what we're offering them is a grant support and advisory service which will afford them access to a database of online grants available throughout Europe, grants available throughout Ireland. At that stage, they may elect to contact us, at which stage Microsoft will be funding us to meet the individuals on a one-to-one basis. And having concluded the one-to-one interview session, we will then bring them forward into a three-part process of preparation of their grant application service with Enterprise Ireland or whatever grant agency we have identified as being their best bet. Secondly, we will bring them forward to a stage 2 process where we will actually facilitate the meetings, facilitate the intercommunications between the grant agency and the individual company. And thirdly, upon success of the grant application process with the grant organisation, we will then project manage the actual funding drawdown on behalf of the client, therefore allowing the client the very important access to a service which allows them concentrate on the business and concentrate on the business development rather than chasing money 2 or 3 days a week for the 6 months or the 12 months that they will be actually dealing with the grant development agency. Process for getting it going is you have 2 aspects. Number 1, you can apply online through the Bizspark website direct on the front page of the Bizspark website. Number 2, you can apply directly through our own Affect Network website, www.affectnetwork.com. Having done that, we will then send you a questionnaire. The questionnaire is basically a pre-qualification test. We will then contact you and go into the one-to-one session. If we agree at that stage that you are not suitable for grant aid yet, we will obviously tell you so and we will tell you why. If you are available for grant aid but are not a client for us in that you don't need us, in our opinion, we will introduce you directly to the agency that we've chosen for you and to the development advisor concerned. Or alternatively, we will then move into the stage 2 process of our actual online work. And our online work will involve, firstly, a Microsoft funded meeting in which we will extract a vast amount of information from you in order that we can make a good decision as to whether it is worth moving forward. We will also at that stage present you with a working quotation in terms of how much it will cost you to bring you through the next process. What's been offered today by Microsoft in stage 3 is that the first 3 clients that move into stage 3 will also be funded by Microsoft Ireland. The balance will, however, be charged a fee by us based on a small upfront, generally between €2,500 and €3,000, plus a percentage of the success fee, a success fee based on the percentage of the actual grant aided by the development agency. At that stage, when you've got the grant through, when the process has been completed, we will, as I said earlier, we will actually project manage the entire grant drawdown, ensure that whatever qualifications and requirements are laid down in terms of the grant procurement by the grant agency are met by your organisation. We take that workload off you, we'll project manage it right through until the cheque is sent to you in the post directly by the development agency.